Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter. Boom, 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 boom. Bam, 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 bam. Review stuff, and I am back for another video, and happy Halloween weekend. It is Friday of Halloween weekend. I am so excited. Halloween is my favorite holiday of the entire year, and I'm so excited about this weekend. And so I have some videos. I pre-filmed some videos for my channels so that I could just hang out with my friends and family this weekend. So I have some very exciting reviews. No, truly the one for tomorrow. Well, actually both of them. I fell in love with both of the things. So I'm really excited about it. And, but today I am going to review the Dairy Queen Fall Blizzards, which I can't believe that I haven't come over here and already reviewed these. I think there's like 2 or 3 fall flavors. I think it's like, I don't even know what they are. Apple, snickerdoodle, something like that. So I'm gonna review these today, and I am really excited about it. I love ice cream, I love Dairy Queen, I love the Blizzards, and I love anything that is fall flavored because of course I love Halloween. So let's get to it. I'm super excited about this today. I have no idea what to expect because I don't even know what the flavors are gonna be. I do know though that my good Judy Tanya Jean, she has been on this weight loss journey for a really long time and is doing fantastic, and I'm so proud of her. And whenever it's her cheat day, and I'll say well, what did you have? And she'll say, it's always she goes somewhere and has a steak, you know, and a baked potato, and then she'll say, and then she made her husband drive through Dairy Queen so she could get a Blizzard on the way home. She loves the Blizzard so much. Oh my God, they have a pumpkin pie. That's the Blizzard of the month, okay. And then they have a sea salt toffee fudge Blizzard. I've never tried that. And then they have the Reese's Pieces cookie dough. I've never tried that. They have the Oreo mocha fudge, Oreo dipped strawberry. Oh my God, I don't know which ones to try. And the Royal Ultimate Choco Brownie. Could I first please get a pumpkin pie Blizzard?
Yeah, what size?
What's the smallest size that you guys have?
We have a mini size.
Okay, let me get a mini in that.
Okay.
And then do you have other fall flavors, or is it just the ones that are listed on the new Blizzard menu?
It might be just the ones up there. We have the pumpkin pie, pecan pie, sea salt toffee fudge, and Reese's Pieces cookie dough.
Did you say pecan pie?
Yes.
Oh, I need to try that in a mini as well.
Alright. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, mini pumpkin pie, mini pecan pie, 7-Eleven at the window.
Alright, thank you.
No problem.
Pecan pie is my all-time favorite, okay? My birthday is June 29th, but true story, in the summer my mom would always say, when I was growing up as a little kid, I liked cake, ice cream cake and stuff, but as I got older, I really liked pie, and so my mom would say, well, what kind of, cake or pie do you want for your birthday? And I either wanted a pecan pie or a key lime pie. Those are my 2 favorite pies of the world. But listen, I won't say goodbye. I mean, I love a good pumpkin pie too. Sugar cream pie is my new favorite.
7-Eleven.
How are you?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, thank you.
Okay.
Dairy Queen will be closing at 5 o'clock on October 31st, Halloween, and they have this little picture up there, and it's somebody went to extensive detail, and it's block letters, and thank you. Please, yeah. And they went to extensive work on coloring in and putting stripes and little dots all over all the letters, and then they have 2 bats, a ghost, and a pumpkin. They did a really nice job on that picture. They should get a gold star for that. I'm really impressed. And then they have Halloween stickers all over the windows. They have pumpkins, and they have ghosties faces and skeleton faces and bats, and it's just kind of scary stuff. I'm getting real scared just looking at it.
Hey.
Oh, hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good job, look at that. Why is that so funny?
I don't know.
Who did?
Do you have spoons?
I do. Who did the sign for?
She works here. Her name's Grace.
I hope she works here. She did a fantastic job on that picture. She did. Thank you.
No problem. Have a good one.
You too. It was hilarious. He was like, yeah. Okay. I am so excited to try these. Let's pull in right over here. This is behind all the stores. This is where all the seedy activity goes on back here. Like me eating these. Okay. I don't know which one is which, but I think that this is the pumpkin one. Here, let me hold both of these up. Oh yeah, that's the pumpkin because I can see the pecan pieces right there. Okay. Well, which one should I try first? Well, I'll try the pumpkin one first. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You have to have the whipped cream. Okay. It has like graham cracker in it, like for the pie crust. You guys, this is unbelievable. It tastes just like pumpkin pie. Like, just like pumpkin pie. Like, it's kind of unreal. Like, it even kind of has like the creamy texture to it. Oh my God. Do you guys take little bites of ice cream or big bites? I always take little bites of ice cream. My husband, he's just like, oh. The little graham crackery pieces are so good in here. I want another one. I just saw it in there. Come here. Man, this is a 5 out of 5. I mean, I always love these blizzards, but this is really, 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 really good. Okay. It's gonna be, I wanna put this lid on here so this doesn't get messy. They fit these lids on here. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Okay. Ah! Come on, lid. Here, you just go like that. Cheers. What are you having to drink? A blizzard. Okay. Let's try the pecan pie one. There's literally, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like literally pecan pieces coming right out of it. Like there's a whole pecan in there. Man, this tastes like pecan pie. Well, I mean, it should, right? But it tastes like pecan pie with whipped cream and a scoop of ice cream on it. Oh my God. This is perfection. Like, you know when the ice cream scoop gets a little melty and then you like get a piece of the pie? That's what it tastes like. Oh my God. I don't know which one I like better. Let me try the pumpkin again. The pecan pie is much better. They're both so good, you guys. They're both so incredibly good. I mean, I almost kind of can't even pick a better one, even though I just said this one's so much better. I think this one is so much better because it literally tastes like the filling of the pecan pie. You know, the part that's kind of like gooey? Like, it tastes like that. I'm gonna mix them. Oh my God, these are so good. Oh, I don't know, the pumpkin is so good too, though. I can taste the pumpkin. They're both 5s. You guys, there's not... I said this one is so much better because I think I'm just more hungry for pecan pie. But they are both so incredibly good that I'm gonna give them both 5s. They're both deserving of 5s. They both are getting the gold star for me this week. So If you guys haven't had the blizzards, go this weekend and get these, because these are literally like Halloween in a tree, okay? And it's trick-or-treat weekend. Halloween in a ice cream. So anyway, if you had them, let me know what you think in the comment section below. I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.